I'm back at Hobby Lobby for the second time to look at fall stuff, but no Halloween yet, but just fall. And this is a different location. This is the one that opened recently, and they still have the same stuff as the last location. It's just fall. They also have Christmas stuff here too in July, just like at home. There's some pumpkins right here and some gourds. There's hay bale. Straw bale, it's actually called, sorry. I was picking up the spirit animatronic hay bale popper. There's a little shelf right here. Where are you? Here's some like flower stuff right here. Some things to put in the front of your wand. We'll be heading to Michael's next, just to let you know. There's the Halloween. I meant fall. That's gonna be about it.